Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the flight status in the Brussels Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Status button. So as you can see, there are three options. So you can search by flight number, by route, and by airport. So just pick the one that you want. So if you do it by flight number, just click on the airline button and set the airline that you're traveling with. Next you have to give your flight number, and then you have to set the date. So if you did that, just click on the search button and your flight status will be given. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.